Oh, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to combine a ticket or table that's already been rung up. Let's say the scenario is the guy at table 10 knows the guy at 11 wants to buy his food, or maybe sees that they're in uniform and wants to bless them and buy their food. So how do they do that? Obviously, you can ring them up separate, but if you could put them all under table 10, how would you do that? So for that, we would go into table 11 and go to info. And actually, I did that backwards. You want to go to table 10 because 10 is going to be receiving. So 10 is going to take 11. So you go info and you scroll down here. You combine ticket. We're going to combine it with table 11. Just ticket number L31. Once you have that selected, I'm going to ask you combine L31 with this ticket. Say yes. Okay. Now you have both tickets on there, and you can proceed with payment. Now everything should be on 10. Alright, well that's all I got for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.